How to install and adjust the HOGGI lateral trunk supports. To make the installation process easier, we recommend removing the upholstery. Firstly, take the lateral trunk support and locate the slot and pin. Now looking at the back of the support shell, the two vertical slots are where the trunk supports will locate. Place the trunk support in position as shown. Next, place the bolt with its square head through the slot and push it all the way in. While still holding this in place, place the backing plate over the bolt and pin. Install the wing nut and tighten just so it holds in place. Now you can change the height to the correct position to suit the user. Once the correct height is achieved, tighten the wing nut firmly. Next, using the formula Allen key, make sure the angle adjustment bolt is loose. Now you can adjust the angle of the trunk support. Once the correct angle is achieved, retighten the 4mm bolt in the front of the trunk support. Ensure all the bolts are tightened. Now you can repeat the process on the opposing side.